Today, I'll show you how to create transparent text in Canva using a blend effect. Let's start. Open a new Canva project and type your text. For this example, we'll use the font Anton. Increase the text size and position it where desired. Change the text color to white. Go to Effects, select Drop Shadow, and increase the intensity. If the shadow isn't bold enough, duplicate the text layer for a stronger effect. Download the text image. Then upload the saved image back into Canva. Delete the original text from your project. Add a background image to your project. Go to the Apps tab, search for Blend Image, and open the app. Select the text image as the top layer and the background image as the bottom layer. Set the blend mode to multiply, then click Add to Design. And here's the final result: transparent text seamlessly blended with your background. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.